Hi, wanna use audio mix feature on the iPhone 16? Then open camera. Here you need to record any video you want and then open gallery. Find your video. Here tap on the three lines on the bottom of the screen and you will see the audio mix feature. So the standard one is just standard without any adjustments. The in-frame focuses on your voice if you are in the frame and removes extraneous noise. Now the studio one suppresses echo and makes the sound clearer and more professional. And the last one, cinematic, gives the sound a cinematic quality, emphasizing important details. So I took this video earlier before to show you this as an example with my voice, and let's test it in different modes. The first one will be standard. Hi, this is a test video with my voice to show you how this feature audio mix works. Now let's switch to the frame. Hi, this is a test video with my voice to show you how this feature audio mix works. As you can see, we can also make some of the adjustments by dragging the slider right or left. Now let's switch to the studio one. Hi, this is a test video with my voice to show you how this feature audio mix works on the iPhone 16. And the last one will be cinematic. Hi, this is a test video with my voice to show you how this feature audio mix works on the iPhone 16. And that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you and thank you for watching.